So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on my princess waffle maker right here. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys what the inside looks like. So that's the inside. It's just like, I'll show you guys what you guys will see when the pancakes come, because I'm going to be testing it out and rating this out of 10 stars. So yeah, let's get right in. So personally, I think it looks really good. It has really good quality, and I'm so excited to use it because this is I could say my first ever waffle maker review, because, well, I've never done a waffle maker review, but I have done a pie pop maker review, guys, and so you guys should definitely check that video out. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna be using what is it, Jenna? I'm saying this name completely wrong. If you know it, it's just I've had it pronounced it sometimes, and I'm gonna be using the instructions on the back to make my waffles. On the top part, it's a section for pancake, and this, like the bottom part right here, the bowl, that is for almond waffles. So I'm gonna be making waffles. So it says 2 cups of the pancake mix. And I'm not going to read the whole thing out, but I'm just going to say, so these are what I'm going to be topping it off with: some grapes and some whipped cream. So I'm going to put these to the side right over there so they have a little bit more space. I just took this out, so I'm going to put it over here, and you're going to need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Right now I only have 1, and I already buttered my thing. You can use butter or you can use cooking oil, whichever one you choose. I'm gonna put that right over there. Bring it over here. Yeah. Okay, and then this is my pancake for when I'm all finished with it. So I'm just gonna add this and then put the water and the oil, the 3 teaspoons of olive oil, and when I am done, I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna add the pancake mix. Then I'm gonna add the 1 cup of water, and this is 1 tablespoon right now. And then I'm gonna get my olive oil here, and I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons. That's 1 more, and guys, the last one. That is, there you go. 3, I'm gonna put these in the sink. Put my olive oil, and I am going to whisk it. Okay, that's it. I'm going to plug this in to make it heat up, since I already mixed the batter, and I'll get back to you guys when the pan is heated and I have put the batter inside. So So I already did one just off camera because it is my first time, and then I'm going to be doing the other ones. I'm just going to spread that out. Waffle. Okay, and I'm gonna close it down. And I'm gonna wash my hands because you guys wait 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'll check to see if they are done. Okay guys, so I think they finished. They smell really good. I'm gonna open it. Wow, oh my gosh, they turned out so good my first try. Except that one kind of looks like it. To taste my first one, because it was out. This one's perfect enough. Like that. I'm going to add my waffle syrup. Get my spoon and add some grapes. And I'm going to add my ice cream. And so guys, are you ready for the tasting? Okay. Oh, wait, I'm holding it wrong. It tastes so good. So, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it, subscribe to my channel, comment down below if you like these reviews, and yeah, thank you for watching. Bye!